In comparison to traditional extrusion lines that are harming our planet through excessive CO2 emissions, for every 1 kilogram of foam made with ALEMO foam sheet extrusion lines, 1 kilogram of CO2 is kept out of our atmosphere, protecting our planet for future generations. ALEMO designs and develops machinery around the production process, not the other way around. The result is reduced CO2 emissions for the planet and substantial savings for the producer. This is where ecology and economy come together. With ALEMO's industry-leading twin-screw extruders, clients achieve up to a 25% reduction in raw material consumption, along with significantly reduced energy consumption. This is ALEMO foam machinery. 1 kilo of foam equals 1 kilo less of CO2 for the planet.